Hi everyone, myself Mahesh Reddy. I studied my intermediate Bipc in Karnataka. I selected a science stream. If I want to write NEET, I should get rank. So that if I not get rank, I should go for long term. That also not confirm that I'll get rank in again. If I get rank also, it will take 5 years degree plus 2 years PG plus 2 years specialist. Again I want to settle, it means it want at least 5 years practice. So that I chosen a CA. It can complete in 4 years. If I keep practice also, it will be completed in 2 years. I can settle it. In CA, rank is not compulsory. If I get qualified marks in CA, I can pass. In CA, when I was joining, I thought accounts was very tough, but now it is very easy subject for me. So that not only MEC students, BPC students can also do CA. We don't want to pay donations like BPC and BPC and MPC. CA, BPC and MPC, and we don't want to pay donations like them.